So heyFinance launches tomorrow, and I just wanted to do a quick video on like what we are targeting and what we can do for you. Right. So if you're a freelancer or a small business owner with maybe 3 to like 5 employees, and the problems we're solving for the first stage is if you've had issues organizing your finances, basically. So, for example, this is like a case study of Alex. If you want to see the full video where this whole case study was done, there's a long YouTube video, like 38 minutes, where you can watch that. But this is Alex. Alex wants to grow his business, but he's not sure if he's ready to hire full time. He has been working with contractors in the past. Are they big enough to hire full time? Is it big? Is the business big enough for him to pay himself like a more like stable fixed salary? Also, he would like to optimize the business, right? So money comes in, money goes out, but he's not really sure what is happening, right? He believes there's a leak somewhere. He has tried creating budgets in the past, but they didn't really work so well for him. He tried using spreadsheets initially, so but with having 80 transactions plus every month, it just took too much time, and he has lost track. Because now he has been operating for 2 years, so he has really like lost track of everything. He has tried accounting softwares, but as the name implies, they are majorly for accountants, not for like funders, and it's too expensive to have like a dedicated financial analyst. So if you have these problems, then this is how we can help you. So this is like a sample of Alex's transactions for the last 3 months. So from the 1st of June till the end of August, right? And what we're trying to do is we take your like bank transactions, so for as far back as 2 years, and we turn it from this to this, where so this is from 1st of June till 31st of August, where you now see, okay, these are your inflows. I'm just going to move this over here. So you see your inflows, you see your outflows, you see your net cash flow, then you see like your top categories. So basically, if I click on this, it shows where the money has been going to, also vendors, like your top vendors. This how much went to contractor payouts, private payouts, rents, and the rest. There's also like the account growth over the last 3 months. So he had 32,000 at the end of the month, and he ended with 79,000 with a net of 47,000, right? And you can also choose to like really see more. So if I click on rent payments, then you can also see like the transactions that happened with rent payments. You can also like filter from here. So I can choose to filter by maybe ads, just to see how much has gone to ads. So he has spent 6,800. So he has Google and Meta. If I click on view reports, he also sees like this is the money that went to ads. But let me just click on the table mode. So 4,000 went to Meta, 2,000 went to Google. And with this, you can also like make optimized decisions. Okay, are we getting almost times two back from Meta, or do we need to focus more on Google ads? And yeah, that's basically what Alex can do now with this, knowing everything. He also has like an idea of how much they make every month. Then he can really make decisions if they are ready to hire someone full time. Because if you're going to hire full time, maybe you're going to spend, I don't know, maybe 40,000 a year, 50,000 a year. Then he has to look at the books. Okay, are we ready for that, or do we keep working with contractors? And another thing that Alex can also do now with these reports is he also has an idea of his runway. So this is like his net cash flow by default is over the last 3 months. So because Alex has been like saving way more in the last 3 months, so he has like a 15,000 monthly savings rates. But if we filter by just expenses only, then we see that Alex is actually spending 14,000 monthly, right? So he's going to have a runway of just 5 months. So for the first stage, this is really what like heyFinance does for you. It takes you from this, where you have a lot of transactions, for as far back as 2 years and even more if you want. And we're going to work with you, bring everything into the platform, categorize it. Like I said, if you want to see the full like case study of how everything was done, there's a longer YouTube video where you can watch. It's like 38 minutes. And yeah, that is it. So for this first version, we are going live tomorrow. We are opening up to just 10 people because we don't have a lot of capacity also for more, and we want to make sure everyone has like the best service, the best experience, so we can also get feedback and learn from that. So if you are Alex, like you fit into this like freelancing business owner, and you think this is something that really helps you, you can also reach out to us, or you can reach out to me personally, or if you know somebody, you can also like send this video to them and let them reach out to us. Thank you very, very much, and yeah, see you. Bye.